Hey guys, here's Louie. It's Monday evening, almost 8 o'clock at night, and the gentleman that's going to put the birdcage together just arrived to drop off the framing of the garage, and tomorrow it will be put up. He's just setting up the walls here, so that length you see is 40 feet. That one is also 40 feet, and from here they're going to start the structure going up until they get to the roof, he was explaining to me. So as the morning arrives tomorrow, Tuesday, June 11th, I will be filming more. But Birdcage have arrived. Can't wait to see my ladies inside. Well guys, it's the next morning, Tuesday morning. Like I said in the beginning of the video, they arrived Monday evening, close to 8 o'clock in the evening, to drop off the materials. Today is Tuesday morning, and they are here at 8:30 in the morning, ready to get started on putting the new birdcage together. So let's see how long it takes. Hopefully they finish this in one day. We'll keep on recording how things go little by little, and at the end I will put the numbers together and let you know how much I am in this project. Alright, one guy here is installing the legs on one of these steel trusses. In the back they already put one truss on the grass, and I counted the trusses last night. There's 13 steel trusses. I mean, that's a lot of trusses. I never knew it was going to be so much. He's telling me that these buildings are really nice and solid. Never had complaints of the buildings leaking or moving. And if there is any issues, they will always come back to your site and fix the issues. This is the rebar stake anchors that they are using to anchor this beam here, this lower beam. This is going to be the structure of the wall going up. So on each of these square tubings, the legs will be going on to go up and tied in with the trusses over there. So they are about 20 inches long, and they are getting hammered into the ground. It's also going to have a different type of anchor. I will show that. Alright guys, and there goes the birdcage getting put up. They have 3 trusses up so far. This is the system they're using to putting up the trusses with the legs. And there are 13 of these legs and trusses, these A-frames. There's 13 of them going down. So you guys could just imagine the strength that this building will have. Well guys, all the legs and trusses are on the birdcage here. Pretty happy so far how things are looking. I'll keep on filming as the building is getting put back together. Looks nice. I'm going to be able to fit a couple of birds in there and a lift. That's my goal, to put a lift in the future. Guys, these are the anchors right here. That's the machine over here, drilling the anchors down. These are some big solid anchors over here. This will hold the steel building nice and secure to the ground. Guys, so far that's how the building is getting put together. This is how far they got so far. They've been here from 8:30 this morning. It's about 1 p.m. now. I mean, you know, I respect these guys, a lot of work. And they lift up all these trusses by themselves, no machine. So it's not that easy. Coming out looking good. Well guys, the bird cage is still being put up, still being assembled. They almost done with 3 full walls and half of the roof. Still have a couple of hours to go, and it's about 6 p.m. now, and they've been working since 8:30 a.m. Well guys, it's 8:13 p.m. and these guys are still going at it. It's a lot of work. People out there that knows what hard work is all about definitely understands what it takes to get things done. I give a lot of credit to these guys. They've been hammering away for about 12 hours now. The building still needs the front wall to be finished, my 3-car garage doors, and the trim going around the building, and then they will be done. They are trying to come back Thursday afternoon to finish my bird cage. So I will continue filming the end results on Thursday. So guys, the bird cage is finally done. All right, once again, this is a 30 wide by 40 length, and I'm a little bit over 10 foot in the middle here, this open area, hitting more like 11, which I'm more than good enough just for storage, and also if I want in the future to put a car lift, a 4-post lift, or anything. Now they make car lifts that are for lower ceilings, and I am not really a tall guy at all. I know friends of mine that have also car lifts, and this height is way more than good enough. I tried to measure it, but I kept stopping like around 11ish or something like that. The tape measure just keep falling. But I got 9-foot walls, and in the center here, the guy told me it could go anywhere from 11, 12, even possibly 13. It's kind of hard to hold the measuring tape all the way up. But yeah, she's done. I'm happy how everything came out. Matter of fact, I had a really bad rainstorm last night, and I had no leaks in here, so she's nice, safe and sound. These doors roll down manually, and it has a slot for a lock on the side of them. And there goes my ladies out there waiting to go into the new bird cage. So I told you guys I will include pricing. So far, between all the paperwork you guys have to do, well, some of you guys, I know I did. Where I live is not a community, but you still have rules you need to follow by the township here in Pennsylvania. And by the time I submitted my papers and got the permit for this size of building, I was about in $500. And this building here, purchase. And basically what I did, I designed the front, the 3-car garages, the middle one being the tallest, is a foot taller than the ones on the side, and it's big enough. I forgot, I think it's 8 by 7 on the 2 sides, and the one in the center is 8 by 8. So with all that design that I did, the color that I chose, the size of building, a 30 by 40 again, this building cost me $16,000. $16,000 bought and built. All right. Plus all the stone work into the garage, level the soil, throw the stones all the way to make a driveway for the cars to drive in and out the new Birdcage. This was like another $5,000. Okay. So all in, I'm almost up to $22,000 so far, what you see. And that's not included concrete. Later on, I will get the concrete, which concrete alone, they priced me about $7,300. So far is the best quote that I got. I might be doing that in the near future, not right now. And also in the near future, if I'm running electricity from out the house to run electricity in here, that's also going to cost a pretty penny, because wire nowadays is not cheap at all. Okay, but so far that's I'm at 22, close. If you round it off, I'm closer to $22,000. Groundwork, stone, and building with permits to be able to build. Close to $22,000, guys. That's what's gonna cost to get a building about this size. And the company that I went with, they are called American Steel Carports. And like I said, I'm really satisfied. I'm sorry if there's a lot of sun glare on the video, but that's what I have. It's a sunny day here in Pennsylvania. I have the birds out here just hanging out. So there you go, guys. New Birdcage. I mean, Louis, it's really feel like Louis' dream came true. I never thought I would be having my own huge garage like this, plus my house garage where I built these cars. So I give a lot of thanks to God, my family, my wife for accepting all this craziness hobby of mine. I thank God for my kids also, all their support and love. They are growing to love this hobby and love these cars. And guys, I'm still have 2 more to build for the collection, and Louis is retired. Take care now. Have a great Father's Day from here, First Generation Garage. God bless you all, and take care. Bye bye.